Hello, Shalom and Assalamu alaikum and good evening. And I'm Pastor Asher from Pakistan, and you are watching Jesus TV. And motto of this TV is Jesus. It's all about Jesus. And on this channel, you will see different preachers preaching very good and effective sermons, good teaching, a lot of songs, spiritual songs, and a lot of Sunday school activities. So I will request you to keep watching this TV and like it and subscribe it. So thank you very much. And as I'm speaking, this is the season, Christmas season, and this is the month of December. And the main reason for this season, as you know, it's Jesus Christ, birth of Jesus. And in most families, I see Santa Claus, I see Christmas trees, decorations, dinners, and parties, and many programs. But actually, the reason behind all these things is Jesus, and we are letting behind all the main concept of Christmas. So I request you all, as you celebrate Christmas, don't forget that Jesus is the reason for this season. And I want to share a little verse from Isaiah. As Prophet Isaiah speaks in his book, chapter 9 and verse 6, he says, "For unto us a child is born, and unto us a son is given, and the government shall be upon his shoulders, and his name shall be called Wonderful, Counselor, the Mighty God, the Everlasting Father, and the Prince of Peace." Today, I want to focus on the word, on the name of God, Prince of Peace. In Hebrew, it's Sar Shalom. And one thing I see in the world, that everybody wanting peace. Everybody want to acquire peace. I see rich people. There are many rich people in the world, and I have many good relationship with many rich people. But they are in depression. I see many healthy people in the world all around me, but they are also in some depression and stress, and there are many family problems. All these people and people in the world need peace. And many countries are signing peace treaties with one another to keep peace, to maintain peace in the world, but they are failing. They cannot find the peace without one thing, and that main thing and the main person is Jesus Christ, because his name is Prince of Peace. He is the source of peace. Once you will not, if you have not peace, Prince of Peace in your heart, you cannot get the peace, because he is Sar Shalom, Prince of Peace. So I will urge you to accept Jesus Christ as your personal Savior if you have not accepted Jesus Christ right now. So I will urge you to take him in your heart, and as you celebrate this Christmas, remember him as he came to world, not as a baby boy. He came to world as a savior to save the world. So all you want is peace, and peace can only be found in Jesus Christ. So if anybody want to find peace in his family, because peace is a spiritual force. Peace gives you power to fight any storm in your life. Peace gives you power to fight the sickness when sickness comes on. Peace gives you power to fight the poverty. Peace gives you power to fight any storm. So I request you accept Jesus Christ. Give first priority to Jesus in your life, in your family, in your ministry, in your business, in your studies, and you will see the mighty victory through peace. So God bless you, and keep watching Jesus TV. Please like it, share it, and subscribe it. God bless you all. Thank you, and Merry Christmas in advance.